Hi, my name is Renee Duna. I go by Coach D. I want to share my story how Trevino Injury Law helped me with my car crash. In May 2018, I was rear-ended in an accident by a Jeep Wrangler. The gentleman's company was Fred Lawyer. They refused to compensate me fairly, and I suffered severe neck and back injuries. The young man had an insurance policy of $30,000 through Fred Lawyer, and had they paid that $30,000, I would have only been compensated about $12,000 for my injuries. Because they were only going to pay us $30,000, Mr. Trevino advised we should take it to trial. We went to trial, and we won a verdict of $120,000. $90,000 more than they were willing to pay us. After we won our case, Fred Lawyer appealed it. So then upon the appeal, Mr. Trevino's law firm won the appeal as well. Mr. Trevino's performance in trial was definitely a little bit different than his regular personality. At the office, he's kind of calm, laid back, very assertive, but when we went to trial, the gloves came off. He was very aggressive, very strategic, very pinpointed tactics with attacking the case, and I was very impressed. And he's somebody you definitely want on your team who's going to go after what you need, what you want, and so you're treated fairly. The communication between me and Mr. Trevino throughout the case was exceptional. He was very patient, very resilient, and he communicated. He let me know step by step what was going on. I have friends who had cases in the past, and they didn't have any communication with the attorneys, but I can highly recommend Mr. Trevino for the simple fact that he communicates, he keeps you involved. It was as if though he was writing a book to say, hey, here's what could happen. Maybe we're not sure, and it went our way. Luckily, but he was communicating, and he let me know, because for somebody who has a family, this is a big part of my life, and he definitely made the process a lot easier, very trustworthy, and he communicates, and that's all we can ask for in life. Do I think I could have settled my case? Absolutely not. Dealing with insurance companies and the law, no. Mr. Trevino fought hard for me, and with the many years of experience that he's done this a long time, I fully trusted in him, and without him, I wouldn't have got the compensation that I did. Do I think people should contact Trevino Injury Law for personal injury cases? Absolutely. I would highly recommend Trevino Injury Law Firm, because he's going to fight for what's best for you and your family. He was very diligent and relentless in fighting for my case and my family, and I strongly recommend, if you want to maximize your recovery on personal injuries, I strongly recommend Trevino Injury Law Firm.